In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a flat logo into a PNG. Coming up. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG into a PNG, a flat logo into a PNG. Okay, but before we get into the video, if you're new here, you know what you're gonna have to do for me. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button. And after the video, share this video and drop me a comment. And don't forget, down below in the description, I have all these goodies. I would love for you guys to go check them out, see what cameras I use, see what I use for my screen printing, my Photoshop, blah, 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 all down there. So go check it out. Now, let's roll into the video. So now we are in Photoshop. So I'm going to convert a JPG into a PNG. Ready? Let's roll. If you come up here where it said Brooklyn, if you look right there, you'll see it said JPG, right? All right, so let's roll into it and get this done. Now, come up here where it says Select Tool, right? Right click on your mouse and select Magic Wand Tool, okay? Now, I want to get rid of only the white background. Only the white background. I need the black to stay there, right? So I want to get rid of only the white background. So all I have to do is click on my left mouse, boom, clicked on it, and look, it select only the white area, but it only select outside. Inside still need to be selected, right? So what we do is we'll come up to select, come down to similar, and look, now it's select the inside white. So all the white are select, but we're not finished yet. What we need to do is come back to select, hit inverse, come down all the way to add a mask, and we clicked on it. Boom, there you go. All the white background is gone. Now come back up here, click so you could get your arrow, and say you want to change the color now to whatever color you want for whatever project. All you have to do is come here on the side, just double click, and then come to color overlay, just clicked on it, and come up to blend mode right here, and then you just clicked on the color on the side, and then you could change it to whatever color your creative mind would like or think of, you know, right? Any color you want, right? Okay, so I stick to black. So that's so simple it is. Okay, so there you go. That's so simple it is. 1, 2, 3, you bang it out and you got yourself a PNG file. So that's all your boy got for you today. Thank you for watching. I hope you watched the entire video and you reached the end. Now don't forget, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and as always, your boy Flex will catch you on his next video. I'm out.